Hi guys, this is why I haven't been uploading. Like, we moved to a new house and yeah, we're redoing the roof and we're doing like a lot of construction and stuff. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys see that's why. That being said, we have a lot of new content coming up and I think you guys are going to enjoy it. Here's a sneak peek of one of the things you can expect. Yes, there's going to be more content on the golf bar. There's going to be like some garage videos. Update, the roof is done now. So there you go. That is done. Now we can go on to doing the interior of the house. Here's all the stuff. We have to throw